Alright, guys, like, seriously, last night was the shit. Last night was the shit, but even today is even better. And I'll tell you why. Because I know for a proven fact that last night there was a ghost in the house, and I'm not gonna just say that it was my grandfather, but because I mean he built this house with his bare hands like 50 years ago, like and like no, even longer than that. He's been alive forever, but anyway, so the door was closed, and then I heard the latch lift, and it was like a strong latch. Now I don't know if it was the latch falling off the latch, like it was on the edge and just happened to drop, but I'm pretty sure that door was fucking closed, and I heard the latch lift. And so that was pretty badass. Yes, yes. Yes, very, very tight indeed. Anyway, so that's what's cool about it. Okay, I'm gonna go smoke a J. So it sucks to be you. I'm just kidding. I love all you guys. Like, you know that. Anyway, dinner was bomb, and I had kielbasa with spaghetti and like butter and parsley and asparagus and cranberry sauce. So that's how we do it in the Verdon household. But anyway, I'm gonna go. I love you guys. All right, so keep watching. Bye.